An interesting question coming from Kiran Tara, and he's writing in to ask how a beginner should start building a portfolio. And Lancelot, I think I'm glad that people that are contemplating investing are asking this question at the start and are not maybe wading into trading strategies that might not be the best for them at this juncture. Which is not to say that you shouldn't try your hand, but perhaps it's a good idea to look at long-term building portfolio or a portfolio at the start. He wants to know how to start. So would you recommend a few stocks that he can consider building, and how often should he look to churn his portfolio?
So I think for a long-term investor and someone who's starting to invest in the stock market, he wants to put into direct equity as opposed to investing through a mutual fund route. You must actually look at the sectors that are, that are likely to give good returns over the next 3 to 5 years. And from those sectors, select those sectors which are, let's say, where the stocks are reasonably valued. Because if you buy into companies which are expensive, then obviously the returns will be relatively lower. So currently, if you look at where the sectors haven't really run up, has been, sectors like, say, chemicals. They've been relatively flat. You had IT, which has been relatively flat, to marginally down. And you've had banking, which private sector banks, which have been relatively flat, whether it's HDFC or. So there is still value while these businesses continue to grow, and with the economic outlook, one will be able to find. So within these sectors, you pick up, market leaders or strong companies, and it's better to invest little into these companies and keep accumulating them, so that over a period of time you buy into different sectors when they are down, and maybe over a year or so you build your portfolio of, say, 15, 20 or 25 stocks which are good quality stocks, and you can then slowly add to the quantities as you grow your portfolio.